What's up, guys? It's been a little while and I've got some updates to share with you, so let me hit this intro and we'll get right to it. So the first piece of news, the 2005 Grand Prix is gone. I sold it. I actually got that choice made pretty easily for me, as a family member wound up emergency needing a car last minute, and they took it just as it was, so I didn't have to fix anything else, and so it's gone. I did take some of the money from that car and do a minor channel upgrade, because this that I'm talking to you on right now is actually a GoPro Hero 5. That's one of my main cameras that I film stuff with, and it's been a pretty good camera, but it is pretty outdated at this point, and the stability particularly is not very good. So I've upgraded to a GoPro Hero 8. So let's switch to that footage and I'll show you the difference. So this is the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and this is going to be one of my main new cameras. One of the biggest differences between this and the 5 is the stability. So hopefully you guys will see that some shots are a lot more stable than they used to be. But when we walk around a minute and talk about some of the stuff I'm working on, you'll be able to see that more. But I'm still going to use the 5 for certain kinds of other things. But I just think this is going to be a little better camera. It is not the newest GoPro. The 10 is the newest one that's out right now. I just didn't think I needed the features the 10 had for my particular channel, and this one was a lot cheaper. So that's kind of why I decided to go with that. But let's go ahead and take a look around at the cars. I'll let you know where I'm at on everything and what you should expect to see just as soon as the weather and my schedule cooperate well enough that I can get these videos made. So first off, as you guys know, the Buick has been sitting for a while because of a total brake failure. I discovered the reason for that, and I'll show it in the video when we do it, but just as soon as I found out what was wrong, which is a broken hard metal brake line on the back here, the weather turned very bad. And even though today's weather is actually pretty good, you can even still see the ground is very, very wet. And it's also pretty cold, and it's just not great weather to be out trying to crawl under this. So I'm putting that off for a little while. Another thing that's going to be going on, this poor filthy car has been sitting for so long. I got it out today because I'm going to wash it, and I'm going to go put some fresh gas in it, and we're going to drive it a little bit. But I do completely plan to get some videos made on it again pretty soon. I've got 2 jobs lined up, ready to go. Parts are here and everything. I've just got to have the time to do it. So that's coming also really soon. And while we're on this area here, the 07 will also be in some videos soon. Again, I'm still working on this misfire. Interestingly enough, the misfire seems to go completely away for long periods of time. But I don't want to get into what's going on with that in this video, because this is just an update. But just be aware, there's more work coming on this, and we'll get all that squared away pretty soon. Now, in some non-Grand Prix content, another thing going on is we've got this Ford Escape, and this is the EcoBoost, I think 1.6 liter, and it has got a coolant leak in a really bad spot. So I'm going to be doing a video on this as soon as I can get the Buick done, and I'm going to show you how to get to like where the heater hoses are and what I have to do to repair that and everything. So that is coming also. I also asked in a community post not too long ago if you guys had any information type videos, like talking type videos that you'd like to see me make. And I got some suggestions there. I wrote those down, so they are definitely in the list now to be made. So we'll be doing a video on heads-up display. Definitely still be doing a video on interchangeability of 3800 parts also. So all that is in the works too, and will be coming as soon as I can get caught up. But as you can see, I've got several things going on, so this isn't all going to come in chronological order. I'm just going to have to jump around and do what I can do on the days that I have, you know, time to do them, and get them out as fast as I can. But all that is going on right now. That's where we're at. Hopefully that'll at least give you guys sort of a little bit of an idea of what's going on. Drop this video a like, drop me a comment if there's anything in particular you guys want to see, or any particular types of videos you would like me to try to get to. I will get to the ones that I can. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and peace.